Hi friends, welcome to our channel Capsule Concepts and Insights, and this is Naveen. And today in this video guys, we're going to learn about the COVID application and the vaccination program launched by the government of India. And today in this video we're going to learn in detail about the registration process for the COVID-19 vaccination program, and also the how to take the appointment, and how to choose the vaccination center, and also the how to book the slot for the vaccination on the specific day that you are interested to take the vaccination. And the second step of, we need to take 2 doses of vaccination. The first dose is from the whenever on the day we take the first dose. From the day after 28 days we will be administering the second dose of the vaccine. So we will be going to learn in detail about the process of vaccination, and the government of India have launched a user guide for this COVID vaccination program that is win over COVID-19. So let us have a look at the information brochure or the user guide for the COVID application and how to, and we are also going to learn how many number of people can register with a single phone number. So everything will be in detail in this video, so don't skip the video and watch till the end. Watch till the end, and also subscribe to our channel for this kind of information. I hope this video will be useful to everyone. So let's get into today's video. Now we are in the COVID-19 vaccination user guide or citizen registration and appointment page, and this is the user guide or user manual released by the government of India for the vaccination program. So let us get in detail, and let's read in detail. Here is a user manual. Here we can see the list of contents, overview, process flow, and registered citizen, add more individual, that is we can add another individuals along with us, and delete individuals, booking appointment for vaccination, and rescheduling an appointment. So these are the contents of this user manual. So let's have a look into it. So this user manual clearly says that Government of India is taking all necessary steps to ensure the nation is prepared to face challenge and threat posed by growing contagion of COVID-19. Yeah, India is taking the precautionary steps, and the objective of this document is to prepare and register and schedule an appointment for vaccination for citizens of 60 years of age and for people above 45 years of age with comorbidities. Here are the silent features in diagrammatic representation. Register yourself, maximum of 4 numbers, and you can select your vaccination center of your choice, and you can schedule a date for vaccination from available slots at the center of your convenience. That is selection of scheduling the date and getting yourself vaccinated. So these are the features that are also written in a written form. And coming to the flow of the process, first of all, registration. You need to register with your registered mobile number, and you will get an OTP, and a citizen can register himself, and you can register up to 3 and other members along with you for people. And it is clearly stating that this document is only for people above 60 years of age and for people with 45 years with comorbidities. After registration you will get a login using the OTP from the registered mobile number, and you can schedule the vaccine appointment and confirmation of the appointment and vaccination completed. So let us see in detail about each step or every stage of registration. And guys, you people, those who are watching, please, if there are any people above 60 years of age or 45 years above with comorbidities, please help them get vaccinated by watching this video and knowing this information. First of all, registration. You must enter your valid OTP phone number in the website covivin.government.in and enter OTP and verify. And once your OTP is validated, the registration page appears with the following details, asking for photo ID proof. You can give here they have given driving license, and you must enter the name as in the ID proof, and also the gender and any comorbidities existing with you. If yes, you need to enter the details in detail. Another form will open. You need to tick the comorbidities you are having, then click on the register button. So this is the process, which is also given in tabulated form. So you can take a screenshot of this, or you can download this user manual from the website, Covivin website. So coming to the next step of registration process is adding of individuals. you can add up to 3 individuals along with you, and you need to enter those details also, as like you have entered the details for yourself or for your parents. So you need to enter all the details of the individual to be included, and you need to click add button. And you can also delete individuals if you don't want that person to be vaccinated by using your number, or if he is already vaccinated. So you can click on the delete button. And coming to the booking appointment for vaccination, after logging into your account, you can have a calendar. On that you can schedule an appointment by clicking on the schedule calendar button. After scheduling the appointment, you need to check for book appointment for vaccination page. That is, system will open a book appointment for vaccination page. On that page you need to select your state, district and block, and also the pin code, and search for the nearby vaccination centers, and click search button to find the vaccination center in your selected location. And this is the workflow or the process flow of vaccine registration. Then after that, on clicking the search button, the system will display the nearby centers available to you and also the dates available. On clicking any center, the available slots will be displayed. You select the date on which you want to get vaccinated, and you can click book button to book the appointment. Once the book button is clicked, appointment confirmation page will be displayed, and click confirm button after verifying the details for final confirmation on booking. So you need to click on confirm if all the details are correct to confirm booking. And after confirmation, appointment successful message will be displayed. You can also download this page and go to the vaccination center on the day, or you can show the mobile number. And after appointment or taking the appointment, you can reschedule the appointment by relogging before the date of your first appointment by same process, by logging into your account with the OTP sent to the phone number via SMS, verify, and you can change. The process for rescheduling the appointment, you can see in clear. Citizen is directed to appointment for vaccination page. Once click search the revised date and center. Once the new date is selected, click book to reschedule and confirm. And this is the overall process for vaccination, and second phase of vaccination will be given after 28 days of first phase vaccination. Guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you all like this information, and if you are interested to know more informative videos like this, please comment in the comment section, and also share this information with your friends and family members, and in order to protect themselves against the COVID-19, and also say in detail about this vaccination program to them in your local language if they don't understand. You educated people and people like us students can understand these things, and those who cannot understand, and you must tell them in detail. And also if you can help them, also register with your phone number and also book a slot for them for the COVID-19 vaccination, those who are interested to take the vaccine. So see you in the next video. Until then, for more informative videos, subscribe to our channel and also click the notification bell icon so that you never miss any kind of update from us.